All right, folks. Hey, for you guys that have a battery that died and it doesn't take a charge because you have a little trickle charger, like AutoZone sells a Schumacher brand, like 3 amp trickle charger, like a little small charger. When you hook it up, on the bottom it says bad battery. Okay, it comes across, it reads it digitally, it says bad battery, bad battery. So technically the battery is no good. That's what it's saying. Here's another trickle charger that I have. Originally, when I hooked it up, it said bad battery. Okay, so the battery is 3 years old. This is a 1120. It is now July of 23. All right, so let's just round it off. 3 years old. They said the battery is no good. Basically, the car just sits in the garage. That's probably why it's dead. But the problem is that when you use these little tiny 2-3 amp trickle chargers, it won't charge a dead battery because it needs to see some kind of little life in the battery. So it has to have some kind of electricity in there to ignite it, to like light the fire. You know what I mean? It's not going to go and just charge. These little trickle chargers don't go out and charge like a regular battery charger would. Okay, so with these, it needs to see some kind of electricity to charge it. So either you get a nice big battery charger, or with over here, I had one here. I got this one from Die Hard. Had this for many years. It's got a 2 amp, then a charging, maintaining one, and then a regular starter one. So what I did was I put it on a regular battery charge overnight to give it some life. And then once you do that, I'm able to put it on the trickle charger. Okay, like I said, the trickle charger, it only works to maintain a battery that already has power already in it. Okay, that's why they use it for classic cars and stuff like that. But if the battery is stone dead, the trickle charger would not work. It'll always say that it's a bad battery. So what you need to do is, unfortunately, you have to get a real charger, charge it up, put some voltage in it, and then you're going to go back to the trickle charger. And that's what I got here. Okay, this is a great trickle charger if you guys ever want to look into it. I think it's discontinued now. But this one pulsates the charge, and it breaks up the little sulfur that's in between the plates here. And it actually restores a battery back to almost new. It's great for lawn mowers, ride-on lawn mowers that batteries haven't been used for a whole season. Then it's dead. It seems to be dead all the time. I put that on there for 24 hours. Now it starts every year. I think maybe the third year. Then it was down low again. So I charged it again. It's great. It really is. It breaks up all the sulfate that's in between the plates that kills it while the car is sitting there. Or the tractor cell, whatever it is. It could be a little tiny battery, even for your alarms and stuff like that. It seems to be basically just a little 12-volt batteries. It breaks up the crap that's inside it, and it works great. You guys got to try it. All right, so let's listen. See, I put a little charge in here, and now the battery's back to almost new. Just 100% there. I'm going to check it with the little tester that I have there, and we're going to see. All right. Let me hook up the tester for you. All right, here it is. Remember, this was a stone dead battery just a couple of days ago. All right, it's showing a little bit more than 13.5 volts. I'm going to test it. This is a nice little Milton tester. It's an old school one. The original one is nice and chrome. Now these are all light, but I still like the Miltons. They work, they're great. So the whole idea here is just to hold this charge here. It puts a little drain on it. You hold it for a couple of seconds and you read the meter. You ready? Let's read it together. There you go. Okay? Don't hold it for too long. It stays within the green. Battery is good. All right? I'm just going to keep it a little bit longer on the trickle charger, and I'll make it 100% better. All right? That's my little story about batteries for you. Okay, like I said, the little trickle chargers only work if the battery has some kind of charge. The battery's stone dead, that trickle charger is not going to work. It needs to be energized. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.